Today we're going to actually bring a MagCharge battery, extended battery. This is a perfect battery to take with you on road trips, amusement parks, camping, pretty much anywhere you want to take extra additional battery to charge. Now, this is very discreet because of the size, if you guys can see it. This actually fits in my wallet, right? It does have the symbol for MagCharge. It's made for either Droid or iPhone. Now, in case your phone is an older unit and doesn't have the MagCharge, but it has a wireless charging, you could actually, it comes with a ring that you could set up. It's a double-sided ring that you could set up on any phone, and it'll convert it into a charging station. Now, they do give you the manual in here, but this thing is one of the best things I like to take with me on events, because every time I'm running out of low batteries, and I film a lot on my phone, so this actually helps me out extremely a lot. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. You got 1 all the way to 5. All right, that tells you how much charge you have. The type C, this is to out or in. So not only can you charge wireless at the same time, but you can also charge other devices at the same time. You got your power button here on to light it up, or sometimes it automatically starts up as soon as you log it in. You just magnetize. This is a very, very slick little unit. It's a little, you can feel like a Velcro kind of feel in here. So the way it works, if you guys can see, I have my Droid here. All you got to do is magnetize it. Look at this, hanging in there. It's not doing anything. It's not going to drop. It's keeping its charge. I'm going to charge it in the back, find the connection, and there it is. Starts charging immediately. So not only for Droid, but like I said, iPhone 2. All right, like I mentioned, I didn't have the sticker. I had to put the O-ring here. And all you got to do is, this is an iPhone, an older iPhone, and starts charging automatically. You see that? Look how tight it is. So like I said, it works for iPhone or Droid, or if you have an older phone, like I said, you can always add the ring to it and magnetize it. So you can always charge 2 devices, type C to type C at the same time. So you could charge your device right now, if you guys can see, with the actual cable. At the same time, you're able to charge this device at the same time. All tether within a cable, so you go share this amongst different units, as long as it's a type C on the outside, or if you have a converter from type C to lightning for the older phones. So very simple, out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.